So practice set first, question number second, it is about the angle bisector, children. So an angle bisector that divides an angle into two equal parts. So here three questions they have given. First it is of 105 angle you have to draw, second 55 degrees, and third one it is of 90 degree. So first one I will show you. Same angle you have to draw in your notebook. First I will show you. Observe that how you are drawing. So for that you have to take the scale and draw one ray in there. Here like this I am drawing now. Just observe that. Yes. So this ray you have to draw and draw 105 angle. So here after 100 5 lines. So join that. Yes, I'll join that. Just observe it. Yes. So extend the line. Yes. And give any name to here. I'll give A, B, C. Yes. So this is about angle 105. So here angle bisector you have to draw in there. So in compass you have to take this and make here one arc like this. Yes. Now in the compass extend this distance and make arc here one, and from this point here one. Yes, just observe. Yes, whatever distance you are taking, same take that and join this line. Yes. So middle line neatly how to draw that. So this is about the angle bisector. Yes, so that divides into two parts. So this is about the first question. So same questions you have to draw in your notebook. Yes. One more I'll show you. Next it is about 55 degrees. Yes. Now here down only I will draw. After that you draw in your notebook. Same. First draw. Observe. Second time I am showing you. Yes. First draw one ray here. Yes. And name it. Here QR I will give. Yes. And draw the 55 degrees angle now. Here after 50. Yes, 5 lines. So it is of 55 degrees. So take that and join this and extend the ray. Yes, so this is about the 55 degrees angle. Yes. Now here I will give name P. Now in the compass with the help of that you have to make R for drawing the angle bisector. Yes, I'll keep that here and I will make the arc here. Yes. So in the compass extend that distance and make R keeping here and here. Yes. So same distance you have to take and make second R. Yes. Now join this line. Yes. Middle you have to join. Yes. So this is about the angle bisector. So this is about 55 degrees. Second one. And this is about the first one, 105 degrees. Yes. So 2 I have shown. Now third is for homework. But now only you have to draw first one in your notebook and tell me.